If you're someone out there who likes to read and would prefer to repair their credit themselves, or at least take a stab at it before you make the investment and pay someone else, then I can definitely help you with that as well. I have a ton of different ebooks. We have master credit workbooks. We have a free ebook that will go over how to get an 800 credit score. We have a DIY credit repair ebook. We also have our letter library that has over 100 custom letters to not only the credit bureaus, but to the creditors as well. We have a ton of different resources that we have available. You can also head over to our website, www.creditcoachpros.com, and we will talk to you soon.